Your eyes, precious portals, natural marvels. Sight is a precious gift we can't take for granted. Our eyes are windows to the wonders of the world, to all we know and love, experience and discover, ponder and cherish. Let us peer into the working of the eye, a unique and self-sustaining system.
In our profession, we are challenged every day with creating a natural-looking restoration. With ever-increasing aesthetic demand of dental treatment, patients not only desire the health of their teeth, but also a perfect smile. For this reason, it is important to perfectly mimic the adjacent teeth in shape and shade. In the present course, the underlying concept of how our eyes can see an object and perceive colors with its three dimensions, hue, chroma, and value, will be concurrently utilized and applied in each step of restoring anterior teeth using direct composite restoration. In this context, the vague and missing link between understanding the optical properties of teeth and how it can be successfully applied in our daily practice to achieve a natural look will be addressed and established. By the end of the course, participants will have acquired the evidence-based approach and knowledge, in addition to crucial restorative skills, to predictably and accurately restore teeth with direct composite restorations in anterior aesthetic zone. Moreover, the course would provide practitioners with a real sense of fulfillment and satisfaction no matter what brand of composite they use in their daily practice.